Всем общий салам. Сегодня иностранцы посмотрят казахстанские клипы. Они послушают казахстанскую музыку. Ну и поделятся своим мнением. Возможно, им понравится, а может скажут, что это все дерьмо. Так что увидим. Поехали, ребята.
Can't understand, but I think it's about love.
Oh, the woman is pretty. Those Kazakh girls. He's like an Asian and less fat version of DJ Khalib.
Yes!
I like this song, and I have a good impression on this man's voice, and it has made a contrast with the beauty girl and the peaceful video. But the song is so, let's say, impressive, yeah. It's a very happy song, and the girl, the singer is very fashionable. And when I listen to this, I want to share this song with my friends. They must like this. Yeah.
Would I marry her? No. Probably not.
As I said before, Kazakh woman is the best.
I don't know. To be honest, it's quite similar to just what you would hear in the U.S.
Все, что хотел твой старший брат, просто Мерседес, новый Мерседес, новый Мерседес.
See, this to me sounds like German rap.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
I have no idea why. It's just because it sounds, the language is just so different.
I don't like this one because it's a little sad, but I like the beats. It's brilliant, but I don't like the thing. Yeah, and it's also a little negative. It's not so positive. I dislike it.
I don't know. I'm guessing about cars, money, and girls. That's just like any other rap song, really.
But I think it's kind of a typical hip hop about luxury life, about crime, about how to get rich. I don't know.
In appearance, they are old, but in the heart, they are very young.
Oh, your country music production is good.
The song was kind of like taking you back in time, but then the video actually saw that through by like flashbacking. It was like the accordion like transported her, at least her mind back. It's just like exploring like a memory.
At the ending of the video, the grandma is dance alone, and no people concerned her. And I guess we could pay more attention on the old people and not make them alone.
Это моя вечеринка. Одна и та же пластинка.
Is he really drunk?
This is fucking cool, man.
It seems just like a formal party where everyone's just really drunk, but this song is really like slowed down and like.
Just want to stop the video right now.
Had to throw in a cute girl.
Honestly, I want to move to Kazakhs.
I want to stop it right now.
You must be famous. I mean, you know, a lot of teenagers must love him.
it's still melodic, but it's also like, I don't know, like frightening or like demonic in a way.
Yeah, I like this better, and it can make me more energetic. I couldn't understand the lyrics, but just like the beats, and I can control myself to move my bodies. Yeah.
Ну что, ребята, надеюсь, вам понравился выпуск. Если у вас есть какие-то пожелания, или вы хотите увидеть реакцию на определенный клип, не стесняйтесь, пишите в комментариях и не забывайте подписываться на мой канал. Так что до встречи!